Your diesel engine might already be taking serious damage every single morning, and most drivers have no idea it's happening. These 5 cold start habits are silently destroying your engine from the inside out. Studies show that more than 70% of engine wear happens during cold starts, when lubrication and combustion are not at their best. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the most dangerous mistakes and how they lead to expensive repairs. Stay until the end, because one simple change can save your engine and your money. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is starting before the glow plug light goes out. Many drivers rush this step, turning the key and cranking immediately, which is a huge mistake. Glow plugs must heat the combustion chamber to the right temperature so diesel fuel can ignite properly. If you skip that wait, the fuel does not burn completely, and you will see white smoke from the exhaust. That smoke is unburned fuel, and it creates carbon deposits inside your cylinders. Over time, those deposits damage injectors, reduce compression, and clog critical components. Some engines have failed entirely because owners ignored this simple step. Always wait for the light to turn off, and in very cold conditions, consider cycling the system twice before starting. Mistake number 2 is revving the engine right after startup. This is extremely harmful because cold oil is thick and has not fully circulated yet. When you press the accelerator immediately, internal parts are forced to move without proper lubrication. This increases friction and causes rapid wear. It also creates sudden temperature changes that stress metal components. Pistons and cylinders expand at different rates, which can lead to tiny cracks that grow over time. The safer approach is to start the engine and let it idle briefly before driving. Keep the revs low and allow oil pressure to build gradually. This is especially important for turbocharged diesels because the turbo relies on proper oil flow before reaching high speeds. Giving your engine this short moment of care can significantly extend its lifespan and prevent costly damage down the road for years to come. Always remember that small habits repeated daily have a massive long-term impact on engine health, performance, efficiency, and reliability, so fixing these early can save you thousands in repairs and keep your diesel running strong for many more miles ahead safely. Mistake number 3 is letting your diesel warm up for too long. This might sound surprising because many drivers believe longer idling is better, but it actually causes harm. When a diesel engine idles for extended periods, it does not reach proper operating temperature efficiently. Instead, it leads to a condition called wet stacking, where unburned fuel collects in the exhaust system. This buildup creates excess soot, which can clog your DPF filter and eager system over time. Modern diesel engines are designed to warm up faster under light driving, rather than sitting still. The best approach is to let the engine idle briefly, then start driving gently while keeping RPM low until temperatures rise. This not only warms the engine, but also helps bring other components like the transmission and drivetrain up to proper temperature. Mistake number 4 is starting your diesel with a weak battery. Cold weather already reduces battery performance significantly, and a weak battery makes things worse. When the battery cannot provide enough power, the glow plugs may not heat properly, and the starter may struggle to turn the engine at the correct speed. This leads to poor combustion and increased wear. A struggling starter also draws excessive current, which can overheat and fail prematurely. In some cases, fuel may not burn correctly and can build up inside the cylinders, creating serious internal damage. Regular battery checks are simple, but can prevent major repair costs. Mistake number 5 is using the wrong engine oil for cold temperatures. Many drivers stick with the same oil year-round without considering how temperature affects viscosity. In cold weather, thicker oil becomes harder to pump, which delays proper lubrication during startup. This increases friction and wear across critical engine components. Using the correct oil grade recommended for colder conditions allows the engine to circulate oil faster and protect internal parts immediately after startup. Always follow your manufacturer guidelines and adjust if needed for extreme weather conditions. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can dramatically improve your diesel engine's lifespan and reliability, saving you from expensive repairs and keeping your vehicle running smoothly every day.